Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. At some or the other point of our lives, we all wonder about the very existence of our own self. A lot of questions often pop into our mind. How we really came into this world? What is our real identity beyond the ones that we share in this life? What was there when nothing existed, and what will be there when nothing will exist? Undoubtedly, there are many scientific theories that are developed to get the answer to these questions. But after a certain threshold, even science fails to explain certain things. Eventually, spirituality begins at that point. We human beings are considered as the top of the creation, and the Almighty God is our creator. Since the very beginning of the formation of our societies, it has been a holy ritual to worship God. Many saints and mystics came and taught us through their own experiences the way to thank and realize the presence of God. In different eras, there were different mediums to do so, and from the teachings of the saints, it has been summarized in our holy books, that is, the Bible, the Quran, the Guru Granth Sahib, the Bhagavad Gita, or any other religious text, that there is only one Lord, and the way to realize His presence is within all of us. But unfortunately, we have restricted ourselves to only the literal meanings of those texts, and instead of implementing the teachings in our own lives, we started making our own interpretations. It is very ironical that in today's world, we who have become so much multitasking and advanced in each and every aspect of our lives have completely forgotten the importance of spirituality. We take out time for completing each and every task, but to thank the Lord with the blessings of whom all of this has become possible becomes our least priority. Whenever we face a sorrow or go through a miserable situation, it is the God whom we criticize first, and when experiencing joy, not a word of appreciation comes from us. In the name of worshipping too, we are far from being honest. Many of us just pray or worship for the sake of our own false satisfaction as a formality. And many of us just do it because of the superstitious beliefs that arise out of fear. This is a bitter reality of our society nowadays, where we have just constrained the presence of God to idols and shrines. Holy places do have their own significance because they are associated with our saints and mystics who went there to mediate. But we interpret this as a ritual and believe that God realization can only be done if we go to these places. Molding the importance of God realization according to our own comfort and interpretations has made us so naive that we try to find shortcuts even in building this sacred relationship with the Almighty. In the marathon of fulfilling our desires, we have come so far, and certainly this is not going to end because mind is insatiable. Besides fulfilling our responsibilities, it is also necessary for us to understand that the true peace of mind lies in the realization of God and to live in His will. We should realize that if we are a parent and our children do not have time for us, then we feel very bad. Similarly, we are also the children of God, and if we do not have time for Him, how could He be happy? In order to be truly a good human being and ultimately the society to prosper, it is necessary to peek within ourselves. There are some things which cannot be explained using words and can only be experienced to realize their true importance. We cannot explain the importance of love, humanity, kindness, compassion, care, etc. because these are all feelings that can only be felt and without which we will cease to exist. The realization of God is also a feeling that can only be experienced through the practice of mediation. Amidst our busy schedules, sitting quietly in a corner in the remembrance of the Lord is the least that we can do to thank Him for all He has given to us. Self realization comes before God realization. Therefore, we need to introspect upon our actions and should take the first step towards realizing the importance of God in our lives, because while getting human birth, we got His blessing to reach Him within ourselves. He is right there with all the answers to our questions. We just need to realize.